Podcast Affirmation, we are back with a bang. Namhlanje sikulandele uPearl Bhengu. Pearl Bhengu igama abaningi bayalazi, I'm sure, but ubuso negama sometimes I believe ukuthi abanye abazi. Kodwa sibe happy ke namhlanje ukuthi honorary appointment yethu wafika namhlanje. Sokhuluma ngento ezithinta iThala. iThala ke into ethinta abantu kakhulu, abantu abamnyama, ngazi noma ngisefu ukuthi ngisho kanjalo, abantu abamnyama. Igama lami nguSizwe Blose. Let me just introduce uPearl Bhengu, oyi group CEO yaseThala.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Sizwe.
Alright.
Kakhulu, ngiright kakhulu.
Mina kakhulu ngangazi igama lakho, ngagcina ngikubona kodwa kancane lapha emcimbini wePhinifa owawuhlelwe yilona iPodcast Affirmation. Siyajabula ukuthi unathi namhlanje. Mhlawumbe umuntu ongazi singathi ubanje uPearl Bhengu.
uPearl Bhengu is just an ordinary umama ophethe iThala. Una huge mhlambe ngathi usebenze kakhulu kuma banks. I've worked for FNB for 23 years and I have an extensive experience with banking. I do qualify as a bank loaner. Do have an FSP certificate and I do qualify as somebody who can advise people on monetary.
Ususebenze kakhulu le bank.
Yes, I've worked
23 years.
Yes.
Your experience vast. We as a connecting for we understand why lona ke bank sistema bank amaningi Pearl. Abanye bathi ama commercial banks and stuff like that. iThala lingena ngakuphi lona?
Okay, yeah, we do have quite a number of certificates that are given to banks. Firstly, we do have commercial banks. Some commercial banks are the banks like your FNBs, your ordinary standard banks and the other banks. We do have mutual banks where those banks are limited in deposit taking.
Mutual bank like le VPS.
Yes,
Okay,
definitely.
okay.
So the only difference between it's a huge difference between a commercial bank and a mutual bank. A mutual bank cannot take government deposits as PFMA and FMA. So you find the mutual bank is limited only to depositors like your ordinary savings accounts. But when you come to the commercial banks, then they can give loans like your home loans, your car loans and all the other loans. So there's a huge difference. Commercial banks are more, I would say, profitable because of the interest that they will yield every month. They print huge interest. They print money on monthly basis. Whereas from the side of the mutual bank, you only find that sometimes what they must do is mostly just to deal with ordinary clients. As we know that the biggest purse is with the government, so they lose out on that one.
Ngiyangizwe nje abantu bathi bebecabanga ngebank laseThala bacabanga ngefunding.
Yes, iThala, it's quite huge. Maybe just to explain, as the IDFC, it's a group, and we have quite a number of other subsidiaries that we have under our IDFC. So iThala, as a bank, is one of our subsidiaries that we own 100%, like other subsidiaries that we do have. So what happened, originally we only had iThala, which was then KFC, and all the other names, the previous names that it had. But when you look at iThala, it has a huge portfolio of properties. We're the second biggest property owner in KZN. And secondly, we're a DFI at the same time, like your NEFs and all the CIFAs. We do lend money to small businesses. So we do help a lot of people in that area. And again, iThala decided in 2008 that they needed to make more money because their mandate was saying they have to help the people and the small businesses. But where then would they get the money? They decided then to have a bank, which is iThala SOC. We have about 38 branches in KZN. So SOC was supposed to be a money maker for the whole group so that the group can carry on with the mandate of helping the people, the poor people, the rich people, but not so much rich, but mostly the township and rural areas. That's where you find that most of our branches are in the rural areas and in the townships. Quite a few, they are in towns, but mostly we help those outskirts more than any other bank. That's where we are.
So onjani qualify ukuthi asebenzisane nethala? I understand ukuthi nitargete kakhulu o dark. Mhlawumbe in terms of percentages, mhlawumbe singathi abanjani nisebenzisana nabo?
We do give loans under the loan section. We give loans to everyone. We are the only.
So regardless of color.
Regardless of color, we do. But when you come with when we come to small businesses, we are very specific because we need to grow our SMMEs. So you have to have 51% as black owned, but fortunately in our books our book is about 99% of our African people that do have loans with us. But we do have some that Africans, Indians, and even whites, they do have when they have partnerships. So they do get, but we don't really have a category or a product that would only give to a person that is ordinarily just white working or walking into Itala. So they come as a group or maybe as partners. So we do give loans to everyone.
So let's say bane company ethize umuntu abayiranayo and ba black benze njani bafika ethala bezoyiboleka imali or refunding process ihamba kanjani? Are they expected ukuthi mhlambe bese generate income kwabona bayibuyise leyo mali loan iza kanjani?
It is very unfortunate that as much as we are a developmental institution, we do follow the National Credit Act and the Financial Services Board Act. So as Itala, you would come, we will still need you to be tax compliant. We will still need you, if you are not a new business, to have your financials, to give us your financials. But more importantly, we need a viable business plan. So the difference between us and the commercial banks is that we don't ask for security. We do get security by default. For instance, if you're buying a farm, then the actual farm will be our security. But if you're doing any other business, we look at how viable is your business according to your cash flow, to whatever you are giving us, your business plan, your market, who are you going to sell, whatever you want to sell to. So if we feel that you have enough market to cover your loan, because remember, the loan you must pay back monthly with interest. So that's
with
where
interest.
we are with interest, yes. So we are very different, because if you go to your original commercial banks, they'll definitely ask you for security. So we do try and help our people. We don't decline at source like other banks. We do help you to say, try and get more business. It is just unfortunate that as Itala, we cannot do a business plan for you, because some people really complain about business plans, but you can't do a business plan and assess it at the same time. You need to assess something that has been done by somebody else. So that segregation of duties, it is necessary. So we always have TIC, which is also part of ETIA, TIC KZN. They do help people with business plans, so that after the business plan is viable, there's a market, then they bring it to us, and then we calculate and see how much you qualify for, and so then we get into your business. It is simple as that. Sometimes it doesn't take as quick as people would want to, but because we don't decline at source, if there are still some documents you don't have, we wait for you. So that's why you always hear people saying, but you guys take too long with the loan. We wait. If you are not tax compliant, we give you a chance to go. But if you go to a commercial bank, we are not tax compliant, they'll say no. they can't do the business with you.
So phela kushuthi ithala liyakubekezelela and liphinde liku-refer futhi ukuthi hamba mhlampe ukuthi izokuhlanganisela le business plan ecabanga ukuthi viable and stuff.
Sibekezela kakhulu for abantu ngoba sisazi ukuthi mhlambe okuningi nama resources abanako from their side. So siyakubekezelela ukuthi mhlambe market yakho if sibona ukuthi angeke ibe enough, sikubekezelela ukuthi go back and see ukuthi you can't get more market uzokwazi ukuthi ufake product yakhona. Sikubekezelele nokuthi if you are not tax compliant hamba uye ku SARS. Siyakwazi futhi sinawo ama trainings abakhona no SARS esibanikeza labantu sithi sikulinde sithi iyaka SARS. So we do wait for the people as well from our side, and we don't mind doing that. The only problem is that once then you have your SARS and all the other outstanding documents that were not there, umuntu mesefika ufike sethi hayi manje kudala nginilindile. But we do understand. We do understand, yes, because if you have everything, we must be as agile as other banks.
Mina ngiya-understand ngoba at least ayifani nalawa commercial abakutshela leyo nto ukuthi sidinga i-business plan kanje then ungahamba uyoyibonela. At least nina niyaba-refer ukuthi yabe siyibeka le mqathango esibekayo. Kodwa mhlambe uplan B ungaya kuphi
uyosizakala, ungayobheka ama markets. In fact uThikhu uyakwazi ukusiza kakhulu ngama markets, but mhlambe futhi kwesinye isikhathi uyofuna imarket ibe enkulu kakhulu. So we do advise even our farmers ukuthi if they benomkhiqizo othile abahlangane so that the amount yomkhiqizo ofunekayo bazokwazi ukuthi bawukhiphe.
By the way, Pearl Pingu CEO yalaphana eThala Bank sihleli naye njengamanje and sizama ukuthi siveze ezinye izinto so that nawe uzobona ekhaya ukuthi wena ungayifaka kanjani ukuthi usondelane neThala ngoba kuningi kwenzayo uzwile ukuthi loan iyaphuma kodwa nje balwa ne business plan ukuthi fanele ibe viable, otherwise kuzobanzima kuwena. Kodwa bowuhlanganisa leyo business plan kuzolunga kakhulu. Ungasichecka einkundleni zokuxhumana laphana ku Facebook likhona ipage lethu la update khona indaba like wena wabona iphephandaba eliphuma daily nathi umehluko wethu ukuthi sina sikhipha manje besiqeda ukukhuluma lo Pheli akezulindi ukuthi kusasa or ngakusasa alindi Sunday, but thina sikhona sizoyifaka njengamanje lento ibone laphana ku podcast affirmation page controller or I controller commander 2.7 ama followers, 2.7 million ama followers. Uphinde futhi uye laphana ku podcast affirmation ku YouTube uzosithola futhi le interview senzayo no Pheli izohlala I think for life. Pheli advantage uyibheka lo bidini ubuyele kuyona lo bidini ngeke ukuthi hayi sebayidabula leyo nto sekwaphela ngayo izohlele ikhona ngaso sonke isikhathi. Pheli bengifisa nje ukuthi siqhubeke ke sibheke this thing engicabanga ukuthi ibuye idale into engabi nozinzo engicabanga ukuthi uzongithatha ungibekele kancane njengoba into ekhona le ndaba zama deposits ukuvalwa ukuthiwa kuvalwa ama deposits eThala kwakwenzakalani into ubuso ngichazela ne relationship that you had or have with iThala le banking license akazi noma iyahlangana yini.
Yes, ngizongena nje kuyo ngoba I think indaba ebaleke kakhulu leyo because iThala lisebenza kakhulu kwindawo zasemakhaya lapha abantu bakithi esinama branches amaningi kakhulu. Kusho ukuthi from 2008 iThala belisebenza nge-exemption. Exemption kusho ukuthi you are given an opportunity to work as a commercial bank ngoba iThala has always been working as a commercial bank, not as a mutual bank. Kwi-exemption yakhona kwaba khona ukuthi we have to apply for a banking license, of which we did, and it was like mhlambeke there was a bit of a problem with ORA with that. So that's why I said kwaba ngathi kuba nenkinga, or I'm hoping inkinga lezo ziyalungiseka manje because I think we're talking ukuthi abantu abaningi abasemakhaya bangahlupheka kakhulu uma ngase kuthiwa iThala alisekho. So we tried ukuthi sibe nenye ibank esopartnersha nayo ikwazi ukuthi isifake ku platform because uma usebenza ku nge-exemption usuke ungekabi nayo i-banking license ezokwazi ukualawa ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza deposits from your bank to other banks because amanye debit orders and all of that. So we have been using a platform of a certain bank. So nayo I platform yakhona iyancipha, which means ezinye izinto sangabe sakwazi ukuzenza kuleyo platform. So we are still looking for a bigger partner, another bank that will give us a bigger platform, especially ukuvula ama-account awakasasa because we are everywhere, and Katletu it's Max Strip protected, so uyakwazi ukulisebenzisa noma kuphi, uyakwazi ukuswipe, uyakwazi ukwenza yonke into, and we do have an internet banking now ongakwazi ukuyenza. So we are trying by all means ukuthi sithole a platform with another bank so that again we will still pursue to have a banking license. We do want to be a state bank in KZN. We've heard Gauteng talking about it. We've been here for the longest time and our bank has run very well. We've been checked by FIC, by NCRA and everybody who's responsible for checking the banks, and Ithala has been thriving as a group for the past over 60 years. So it's quite a credible and a big name, Ithala.
So State Bank negama leThala same sentence.
Yes, State Bank, it has been legislated, though it was said to be a national entity that can have it. So Nati as Ithala were positioning ourselves to be part of that state bank. And we do believe that you don't really need one state bank. You need maybe to have, if you go to other countries, you would see they have a state bank in each and every federal state or every province that they have. So we definitely believe that as Ithala were poised here, were ready, and were the only maybe bank that was working or is working under exemption that is ready. Even your post bank is not as ready as ourselves. Maybe just to share in the Balilegile, Ithala, before even umthetho ukuthi you can use your loan, you can take a loan against your pension. Tina, we already have abantu abaningi where we've taken a pension as security, but if they want to build a house or to build emakhaya, even befuna ukwakha emakhaya, sibanikeza a loan or a loan for whatever you want. Kodwa siyakwazi were the only ones who started that. I know umthetho only passed last year for ukuthi abantu bakwazi ukusebenzisa ama pensions abo, but Ithala we've been there already. I mean,
so sengeze Ithala bengifuna ukuthenga indlu nje.
Yebo, kudala ithengwa. Umuzi, imoto. We even had taxi finance.
20 years ukuthi ngikhokhele indlu ekubeni indlu nje reasonable amount kodwa manje ngikhiphe ngihlale for 20 years.
Not really.
Not really.
20 years, it's a maximum. Maximum has gone to 30 years, depending on how big is your loan. Because sometimes you find that uthatha for commercial purposes. So, because it's a fixed cost that you must pay every month, you have to be comfortable with the installment. That's why Ibahu 20 years. But if you have the money, ukwazi ukukhoka more, which I would encourage anyone, even if you pay 1,000 more, you're reducing on the interest that is charged. Umunayo imali, ungakwazi ukuthi no aningibalele ukuthi mhlambe over 10 years ngikhokhe imali per month, ukwazi ukukhokha kanjalo.
So usheshe uyiqede.
Uyakwazi usheshe uyiqede indlu. There's nothing wrong.
Should asikakafundiseki mhlambe kuleyo aspect.
Yeah, 20 years because ngoba indlu it's regarded siyazi ke sekunemoto edolo ukudlula izindlu kodwa kwakuwukuthi ngoba umuzi uzoba iexpense enkulu ube comfortable ukuthi ukwazi ukukhokha ukhokhele nezikolo zeingane nani ngoba bakungathiwa imali enkulu kakhulu oyikhokhayo for umuzi, then it's mhlambe ungagcina ungasakwazanga ukuqeda. Kanti le 20 years really, if ungakwazi ukukhokha umuzi wakho go 5 years, uyakwazi ukuthi uadd extra ukhokhe nge 5 years like
so advisable ukuthi at that 1,000 kuyo monthly installment.
I would advise as a financial advisor who's qualified, I would really advise people ukuthi even if kuyimoto just add a little bit, you will see how much you save on interest if wenza lokho. Or if installment yakho bethu 2,000, make it 3. If mhlambe kuyindlu ufuna ukuyishesha, make it 5, you'll be surprised ukuthi uzoshesha uyikhokhe.
Ngicabanga ukuthi phela futhi sisazokuxela nje uzokhipha manje ama-advices ngethi ngoba abantu abaningi bayafa ilezi zinto ukukhokhela lezi zinto. Uthola ukuthi ezinye zizeyidliwe, uthola ukuthi umuntu ngaleyo period benakho ukuthi ede extra 1,000 or 2, but mhlambe awusebenzise ngezinye indlela kanti ngabe imsize kakhulu ukuthi useyithola useqedile.
And ethola ukuthi mhlambe noma uya retrenchwa if u-advanced uyakwazi ibank yakwazi ukukulinda ukuthi no, but lo muntu say advance ngo 2 years. So the 2 years uyakwazi ukuthi ube comfortable ungadlelwa umuzi noma yini, nokuthi noma even naku business when you take a loan you pay back the loan plus interest. So sometimes abantu baye bangayinaki le part interest kunini ngikhokha kodwa manje angiqedi sengikhokhe even more. You are definitely makuyi loan, you are definitely going to ukhokha more.
Kodwa is it fair ukuthi kuphele 4, 5, 7 years kuthiwa wena awakaqala ukukhokhela iloan yakho yendlu usakhokhela interest? No.
Injalo, it depends on the period as well. Yiko lo ngithi mina uma ukhokha, for instance, your first month you'll find ukuthi towards your capital you are only paying 5 rand, the rest is interest. But as you pay, thola ukuthi usukhokha about 1,000 rand towards your capital. Then by the last 5 years most of the money ke manje khona iya ku capital. So I think kuyamele whilst ngiyibanker I only make money from interest. I'm very interested ukuthi ngithole more interest ebantwini. Kodwa abantu kuyamele bafundiseke ukuthi is it worth it ukuthi umuthenga mhlambe umuzi ka 500,000 uqede seku 1.2, because umuzi luckily uyakhuphuka ivalue. So you'd find ukuthi uqeda usu 1.2 vele ku value usu 1.5. It's very few ama instances where uthola umuntu ukuthi uthenga umuzi ngo 400,000 waphindwa udayisa ngo 400,000.
Okay, akufani nemoto, imoto
bathi
egarage
usheshe uyikhokhe noma usheshe. But umuzi luckily nento even it's commercial buildings, they even grow even bigger yabo ngoba it's a building where you make money. Ungayuthenga today leyo commercial building because we do sikunikeza uma ufuna ukuthenga mhlambe kwi podcast nifuna ukuba nendawo yenu that you own, you can come for that loan, sikunikeze uyikhokhe. But we know for the fact ukuthi at the moment because of demand ya mobility in South Africa, you would be able to sell that building or commercial building or house more than the money you've bought it. No, you always do.
Yes, before Spete phela ngifuna ukuchecka i-relationship yenu no Etia. I also understand ukuthi khona izinto enzenza together.
Boss wethu Etia phela the entities amaningi like uTik laba bengikhuluma nabo, Ithala, ourself IDFC, Ithala SOC which is under Dr. Vilakazi, namanye ama entities of tourism, they are all under Etia. So uETA is like our biggest, our shareholder. Yibo esenza ngabo umsebenzi, though then as IDFC luckily we are working as a proper SOE, and I think at KZN we have to be proud of Ithala because it's one SOE that is running by its own, has never been bailed out like ama SOEs lamakhulu othola ukuthi abasenayo imali. Over 60 years we've managed ukuthi sibe self-sustainable, even sustaining Ithala Bank as well. So sisebenza kanjalo, which is good for KZN because which is good for Etia as well. Etia helps us a lot kwizinto eziningi, but they are more project specific. For instance, one thing enhle eyenza uEtia ukuthi uyasinika imali for small businesses naqalayo, where then kuleyo mali esinikwa uEtia we only charge 2 to 7% interest. Ngisho no repo rate ke akekho ku 2%. So that's where then your interest is very low, so that when you are a startup business, at least you don't get all your profits or your turnover being taken by interest. So lokho kuyasiza kakhulu, namanye ke ama projects amaningi siya implementa on behalf of UETIA. Like now they've built some detergent centers all over KZN. Ithala has been forefront. Quite a lot of other things that they are building bayasinika as Ithala. Ithala phela ningakhohlwa ukuthi ile elakha umlazi wonke. Ithala used to develop ama townships.
Yeah.
So that mandate is still
isekhona lapha kavi. Isekhona.
Second isikole sikhona. We're trying to redo wonke like ama dilapidated buildings. In fact, we've done an assessment sizama ukuthi siwakhuphule abengcono, even nale kwamashu indawo yethu wa waiting ukuthi ibe build ibe shopping center enkulu, but lapho we have a partnership esinayo no masipala imetro yethu iTheku.
Yazi ngicabanga ukuthi kulaba abanokudideka mhlambe nge8 ya umnyango bani ungaphansi kwa Reverend Musazundi at the present moment.
Yes,
and then umnyango wezokuthuthukisa umphakathi no tourism, economic development no tourism. I think kuzoba easy besibeka kanjalo, then bayibize nge8 sekusho lokumuntu mhlawumbe ozongayi understand
development. Yes.
I think I right kanjalo, but athina ama-parting shots Pearl ngiyazi ukuthi uqinwe isikhathi.
Yeah, no Ithala siyafuna kakhulu ukuthi likhule libe State Bank. Okokuqala nje we do want ukuthi Ithala, and Ithala deserve to be a State Bank as uSOC Limited. Okwesibili kuma properties ethu we do want to assure abantu ukuthi sizozama na kanjani ukuthi siwalungise wonke. Sesiyenzile assessment ukuthi nje sithole proper budget, even if noma singawenzi siwaqede this year. We've started kwasithebe, but ihamba ngokuthi ibudget engakanani, so over years we're trying to do that. Thirdly, kwindaba ye business finance, we want to be very strong. Siyafuna siyakwenza not programs go DUT9 kodwa siyafuna ukuthi abantu, because not everyone is an entrepreneur, abantu baqale benze the training yokuthi how then do you conduct your business, because your business and yourself are two different entities. How do you treat that differently, so that abantu mebeqala ama business bazi ukuthi kuhlukene ibusiness entity enye nayo omunye umuntu, so that azo thrive ama businesses. And we do believe that smaller business are the most important ones, because yibo abakwazi ukuqasha abantu abaningi. What big on job creation. Ithala is there to create jobs, to make sure that small businesses bayakwazi ukuthi bayithola imali ngesikhathi bazokwazi ukwenza imisebenzi. So that conducive situation must be created by Ithala. Even from ama properties ethu, or originally kwasithebe kozakheni emadadeni, uma ngaba ubuzoqasha abantu abaningi, you used to get ukuthi per square meterage bakunikeza a huge discount, which is still there. So siyafuna ukuthi
so Ithala lekelela kakhulu ekulweni ne-unemployment le ebhekene nesizwe
kakhulu. If you see now, luckily for us, kukhona a company ezile a clothing and textile, a Mauritian company. They took about 6 of our factories in Ezakheni. Emisinje Reverend Tubeyile Obona, he was impressed. They have invested so much money. They have over 3,000 employees. They have over 500 youth that they are training internally. Bafika lapha baya trainer bathole stipend sabo, which is very good. And Ithala umubheki mandate klaro supposed to do that, and we are doing just that. But I must be honest, if you look at ukuthi abantu abangakanani abangasebenzi, there's a lot that still need to be done. If we can get ama companies anjalo, even South African companies bengena kule indawo beqasha abantu abaningi, we definitely would give them huge discounts because the job creation part is very important.
So abantu bafuna ukwaziboke ethala benze njani abasondele ezakhiweni zenu la itholakala khona or benze njani bayafona?
But abangena ku website, the whole information is there. Sinayo no Facebook, sinayo oweSOC or bank nathi, but it's fine because so rana kahle wonke. Kodwa abangene kuma website, siba nama trainings esibanawo kuma districts wonke, but I know that sometimes okunye akufinyelele ebantwini. Kodwa I would like ukuthi abantu baye kulezo indawo mas trainer babuze imibuzo bazimonge ethala ngoba ithala is there for them. And
so
once
ithala is the future.
Futhi siyabacela ukuthi abanye vele bathi beyitholele imali benze imali babuye bakhokhe phela, so that sokwazi ukunika abanye abantu
loan into engichazayo futhi
babuye bakhokhe loan so that kuzoba nabantu abaningi ngoba thina the more bekhokha the more skipper. Asibambi yabo, we're not that profit driven like you typical commercial banks. We are a government institution that is looking to develop, and really I think we still need to do a lot as ithala ukuthi sifinyelele phansi ebantwini.
Isn't it? Uyisho emthanjeni.
Yes, ngiyafuna ukuthi makunogogo nje ohola ipension engasakwazi ukuhamba ethala sifike simnike ekhaya imali yakhe. You know, things like that. Sibe nabo abantu siphile nabo sebenzisane kahle nabo.
And into eshoyo futhi ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe umxhwelile yokuhlukanisa between ibusiness nawe eso la ungashayi head to bar kungenele imali usuthatha the very same money yothenga iPorsche
uthatha loan le awukwenzi lokhu ukuthi uzokuthenga usuqala ngemoto ayiqala lapha ubugibela itaxi and ama businesses are successful yila grower kahle kancane nakhona ungafuni ukuqala big. If you can start big, why not? There's nothing wrong with it ngoba if ubheka even ku DTIC abantu abafuna ukungena into manufacturing bayayithola up to 50 million imali ye grant. So that's a big business, but we're saying qalani ku 5 million ngoba abanye abantu they like to start small so that bakwazi ukusizakala ku manufacturing khona usizo lubakhona olungabuye ethala kodwa ithala liyakwazi ukuxhumanisa no DTIC ukuthi and siyafuna futhi uku-encourage kakhulu ukuthi abantu abangene ku manufacturing.
Akukho ngakushune uphelike uswizile interview naye akukho engicabanga ukuthi sikushile phela, but one thing engifuna ukuyi-check up ngiyakubona ukuthi umuntu futhi umama ekhaya uney'ngane for sure and all that stuff. Uyasithola isikhathi sokuphumula and lo msebenzi wakho I think uyadimanda.
Uyadimanda wona kakhulu kodwa at least ngiyengenze sure ukuthi ngesikhathi se-leave ngiyayithatha i-leave so that ngizokwazi ukuba nomntana nabantwana nomndeni.
We-Pirates or we-Chiefs? We-Pirates or I think it's a pambana. I'm a morning person or
I'm a morning person.
Prefer.
Yeah.
So in the was
you're a morning person, but if there's work that needs to be done at night, I'll stay away. But I'm definitely a morning person. I love to start early. And if I had my way, I'm meetings about 7. So that you finish and do something else. You are still nice and fresh in the morning, I believe.
Yeah, no, true that. So in the bazokudla prefer ukudla out or prefer ukuthi kuphekwe la endlini?
Yes, I prefer ukupheka endlini. Nokudla out ngiyakuthanda. I think ukudla out sekukakuningi, if you get anything manje oyifunayo noma ufuna wesizulu noma ufuna wani at least sekuba khona, but my favorite nje ufish. So yeah. So noma ngudla out noma ngudla phi ngiyawuthanda kakhulu.
Ngizoyibuza ngiyayazi ukuthi anta spend or save. Obvious. As the advisor, okay. Hello,
advisor I'm yokugcina. Save for whatever you want to buy. Never buy a car without a deposit. Never buy a house without a deposit. The bank will offer you, but my advice is that don't. Save and buy.
Konje bayibiza ngani lento le iballoon, so stay away from ama balloon pay.
Balloon Angiyazi suka if it's going to benefit you or your business, the type of business that you do, you can do a balloon. But as an ordinary person that oyemsebenzi nabuye, stay away from a balloon.
I was from the best. Phela asibuya kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho ukuthi sibashele namhlanje. Hopefully next time besicela ukuthi uzosicacisela ngasamething ngoba kuningi ngicabanga ukuthi kudinga ukwaziwa abantu ngethala. Uzobuya futhi uzosicacisela nama advices futhi generally ke manje ekuhandlisheni imali because we expert. I think it's safe make it ungoti kulomkhakha.
Yeah, no, ngoti kodwa save to spend kahle. Phela ungasibe ungoqo kakhulu, save to spend kahle ngesikhathi and give yourself time mhlambe kwesikhathi suke sisheshe because sometimes utufika but no ungayithatha imoto ungena deposit no.
So ususho ukuthi namajite emakhaya ayikhiphe le mali ekuthiwa ama allowances for abantu besifazana.
Not really. I do believe ukuthi no everybody akayosebenza for imali. Mangabe ushadile ubaba take responsibility for umuzi wonke. Kodwa phela mani akashadi nani akusetshenzwe wonke umuntu
ayibambele
akasebenza. Kodwa phela ngokwe culture no nature yethu ukuthi ubaba uma senishadile ubaba must be the head of the house. Mhlambe noma kungenzeki ngendlela kodwa
ayisiyalingana waphela.
No, I do believe ukuthi siyalingana kodwa sometimes siye singalingani ngamaholo nani lokho kumele kungabi inkinga kodwa nje ukuthi ubaba inhloko mama uyintamo nokuthi kubanjiswane kahle it's the best.
Hayi ngiyakuzwa ungakhohlwa ukusilandela kuma pages ethu podcast affirmation page ku Facebook uzosithola uphinde futhi lapha ku YouTube uzosithola. Don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7. It's a wrap.